Hi guys, today we're doing a slime collection. I just filmed 2 videos already today, but I'm on a roll, rock and roll. So today we're doing slime collection, but before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below, hit that big red button, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, and give this video a thumbs up if you like slime or my videos. So yeah, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so this is a kind of aqua color slime. I'm ending the video right now, and I'm realizing that I didn't talk, so I'm most likely going to do a voiceover for all the slimes that I didn't talk about. But yeah, so if you're wondering why it sounds like a voiceover, that's why. Okay, so I just had a little part, but it's a aqua kind of blue color. It's not picking me up on camera, but it's like a light blue color. And we did a series slime challenge with this, and it's a full foam, if you can probably tell. And yeah, it's really nice. So that's the slime. So here's the next slime, and I have a flash on somehow. So it's clear, and then I added purple glitter glue to it, and then I added more glitter. Then I added foam balls to it, but the foam balls fall on my hands and get all over me. So, I mean, I really like this slime because I made it with my friends. Like I actually made it with my friends. Okay, but I really like the glue part of it, like the actual slime. It's really fun to play with. It's really squishy. And it's kind of clear, you can see through it. Review, right? Okay then, well. Here's the next slime. It's a cloud cream that I made this slime with my friends too, and I also made this one with the same friends. So it doesn't pick up the actual color. It's actually a pretty bright aqua color into cloud cream, so it's not like, but it's made with instant snow. Then it has gold and silver foil chunks in it, if you're wondering what those are. Then I added extra blue glitter. I actually love this slime, especially like the texture. I don't know why. It's just such a soft and creamy texture. But yeah, so that's this one. This is the next slime. It's a pretty purple color, and it's actually picking up the color on camera, like the 2 blue slimes. And I made it with glitter glue and purple glitter glue, and then added this plastic instant snow stuff to it, so it's a really nice texture. And it doesn't really drizzle, but yeah, it's really nice. So that's the slime.